In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trend lines in Power BI. Trend lines help you see patterns, seasonality, and momentum in your data at a glance, and we'll build them with simple line charts at different timescales. Start by opening the Power BI app on your desktop and loading one of your existing reports. You'll want a report that already includes a date field such as date, month, week, or year, and a numeric measure like sales. With the report open, look to the right side of the screen for the visualizations pane. This is where you choose the type of visual. Click the line chart icon to insert a new visual on your canvas. We'll turn this into our first trend line. In the fields area, locate your month field and drag it into the x-axis well of the line chart. Adding month to the x-axis sets the timeline. Now find your sales field and drag it into the y-axis well. Power BI will aggregate sales automatically, typically using the sum, and you should immediately see a month-by-month line that reveals how sales shift over time. If the line looks jagged, that's normal. It reflects real monthly movement. Next, click the line chart icon again to add a second chart. This one will show a weekly trend, which is great for spotting short-term spikes. Drag your week field into the x-axis for this new chart and then drag sales to the y-axis. Weekly views can be more granular and may show more noise, but they're incredibly useful for tracking campaigns, promotions, or operational changes. Keep in mind that week numbers often reset each year, so you're viewing weeks within their respective years. Finally, click the line chart icon one more time to create a third visual. Drag the year field into the x-axis and sales into the y-axis. This gives you a clean, high-level trend that's perfect for understanding long-term growth or decline. It smooths out the short-term fluctuations and makes big-picture changes easier to see. With these three charts, month, week, and year, you now have a layered understanding of your data. All three are driven by the same simple setup. Time on the x-axis, sales on the y-axis. If something doesn't appear as expected, check that your fields are correctly typed as dates or numbers in your model. That's all it takes to create clear trend lines in Power BI.